Hi everybody, Anita here. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a fall mani for you with some beautiful spring colors. I've chosen several colors from China Glaze for this mani. They just had a gorgeous spring collection, and I'm going to put a card up if you guys didn't get a chance to see the review that I did for them. It was not sponsored. It was my own review because the colors were amazing and I just had to have them. I'm using those with this beautiful plate from What's Up Nails. It's a fall plate. It has all kinds of fantastic images on it. There are some foxes and there are some hedgehogs, I think they are, and all of these beautiful leaf patterns, as well as some fruits and veg. So for this leaf design, this one's going to be the reverse stamping. Now, I'm not really a great reverse stamper, I don't think. My preference is making the decals, but I thought I would give it a try for this video. I just chose some colors that I thought went well together, and I used my dotting tool and I just put them on the leaves. Now I'm mixing a couple of colors here just to get a little bit more pastel image for a couple of those leaves, and once I have everything on and it's slightly dry, I just top it with my top coat and let it dry just a tiny bit so it's tacky, and then just stamp that on my nail. Of course, putting it on the clear stamper lets you see exactly where you're going to put it, and then you can just pat it in place with your silicone tool. You can use your cuticle tool, the sharp end there, just to make sure that it's fitting around your cuticle. Get your scissors to clip the free edge there, and just clean up any excess with your nail polish remover or acetone. I should have put on a latex barrier, and I didn't even think about it until I was done, and of course I was just excited to do it and I forgot all about it. So now I'm just going to put down the base for my decals. After I stamp the images on, I again select some beautiful random colors from all those gorgeous China Glaze colors that I have. I have a lot of China Glaze. I didn't think I had that much until I started looking through it, and I found polishes that I bought that I'd forgotten that I had, and I think there's some in there I've never used. So, you know, if I was talking to anybody else, they might think I'm a little crazy, but I'm talking to you guys, so you completely understand me. You know, it's just something that you have to have, and you'll use it when you use it, but when you see it, you just have to have it. You know how it is. Anyway, I'm going to use this full image, full coverage image, that's what I call them, just to stamp over my thumb in that beautiful Bundle Monster soft pale lavender. So pretty. Now once my decals are dry, you guys know what to do. You just peel them up, you cut them basically to the shape of your nail, and you put them on your stamper so that you can get them on your nail. And this little trick again, just clip around the outside of your decal. It just makes it easier for it to conform to the curve of your nail. Once you get that on, I just press it into place a little bit, and I go over the entire decal and around the edge and the cuticle area with a little nail polish remover on my cleanup brush. These purples are really pretty. I think this one and the apples are my favorite image. Drop me a comment. Let me know which ones you like, if you like all of them or if you don't like any of them. I think I can take it. I don't think that would hurt my feelings. And I don't know. Maybe you should keep, if you don't like it, to yourself. I'm only joking. Please feel free to say whatever it is that you guys want to say. I trust you and your judgment completely. And I love hearing from you. So please don't hesitate to leave a comment. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. If this is your first time here, feel free to subscribe. Doesn't cost you a thing. Just hit the subscribe button, and the bell icon notifies you when I upload a video once a week. Once I have applied my smear-free or my smudge-proof top coat, and that has dried completely, I finished this mani with my fast-drying Seche Vite for my high gloss gorgeousness. And there it is. That's this one done. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend.